Hi, kindergartners. Today, you are going to make your own secret code cards to use during our math routines. If you remember, our secret code cards are these cool yellow cards with the secret codes on the back. Remember for 1, 2, and then we've got the 10 groups, counting by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90, and then we even had, do you remember what comes after 90? 100. Now, your secret code cards are going to be looking a little bit different. First thing, they're going to be much smaller. In the baggies of materials that you got, or if you have some index cards at home, these are index cards. They're cards that are all pretty much the same size. What I did is you have some cut in half, and then some cut even smaller. So you've got a pack of cards just like this. What we're going to do is use the smallest ones for the ones, the next size up for 10 groups, hundreds, and if you even want, you can do thousands here. Now, this is what your cards will kind of look like when you are done. So here you see I have my ones, 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 9. I have my 10s, 10, 20, all the way up to 90, and then I did a 100. In order for it to match up and look nice so that you can go to build your team numbers, you're going to need to draw and write these numbers kind of together. I'll show you how to do it. First, you are going to get a 10 group card. That's kind of this larger one, and the ones. The first number you're going to write is 11. So you're going to write 1 for the 10 here and 1 for the extra 1. I'm going to write it right here. 1 10 group, 1 extra 1. But now, if you take off that extra 1, something's missing. We need to put that digit 0 as a little placeholder so that when we put that on top or take it apart, we can see that it's 10 and 1. So I want you to get those cards. I'm using a clipboard so that you can see it, but you probably don't have a clipboard at home, and that's okay. You're going to get a 10 group 1 and a ones, and you're going to put one on top of the other, just like that. Next, if you've already done the ones, I'm going to go ahead and do the twos. I'm clipping them on. So here we're going to have 2 10 groups, 2 extra ones, and if I take off those extra ones, something's missing, and we're going to put the 0 in its place. So you should have 20 and 2 when you finish those cards, and you can go to make 22. Go ahead and do all of those, and I'm going to have you pause. Go ahead and do it. Get those cards in front of you, one right on top of the other. I'll even do another one with you. 3 and 3. 3 tens. 3 extra ones. And something is missing. So I'm going to put that 0 right in its spot. All right, go ahead and do it. Go ahead. You can press pause. I'll just wait right here. Oh, good job. All right. So hopefully now you have all of your ones and tens. Next, you're going to do the hundreds. So you're going to need to get the card that's a little bit bigger, not quite as big as the biggest, but the next one up. In order to get those numbers again in the right place, you're going to borrow one of your tens, and you can put it right there. And now we're going to do the 1 for 100. And I'm going to put it right there. 1. Okay, now we have 110. I'm going to take off that 10 group Stuff is missing. Let me borrow 1 to make sure I have my correct spacing. I'm going to put the 1 right in that spot so I can really see where that first 10 group 0 is. And then I'm going to take off that 1 and I'm going to see there's still something missing. And do that. Fantastic. So you should have your hundreds, your tens, I'm going to stack them nicely together, and your ones for your secret code cards. Now, there is something missing on your secret code cards. We call them secret code cards because on those ones, there should be a secret code on the back. Guess what you should do next? That's right. You're going to put the secret codes on the back of those extra ones. I'm going to use a red crayon, because, well, that's what it is on these cards. And that's nice. You can do whichever color you want. You should use a crayon or a colored pencil, because marker is going to bleed through and you'll be able to see the secret code and it'll be distracting. So, if you have your 1, you'll turn it over and you're going to do just 1 nice dot. There it is, number 1. Next, you'll get your number 2. As you turn it over, you're going to do how many dots? 2. 1, 2. And then 3. Make sure it's right side up. And we're going to put on there 1, 2, 3. Then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now 5. There's this important 5 group. They'll all be on one row. You might need to be careful, make it a little smaller. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh, great. Mine fit perfectly. Now we've come to the 6. Show me 6 on your fingers. 5 and 1. That's what we should have on our card. I'm going to do 5 in one row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1 more underneath. After 6, oops, I did it upside down. That's okay. After 6 comes 7. Make sure it's right side up. That 6 I put upside down by accident. That's okay. And we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Show me 8 on your fingers. Let's see if I can do it as fast as you. 8, 5, and 3. Really, it should be this way. 5 comes first and then 3. So I'm going to make sure it's right side up. Oh, that looks better. And I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to draw 8 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I have my 8 secret code. Here's my last one, 9. And flip it over. Show me 9 on your fingers. 5 and 4. So we're going to make sure we have that 5 group in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now you should have all of those extra ones with the secret code on the back and the number on the front. 8, secret code. 7, oops, this is the one. No, 6 I did upside down. 7. Let's see, 6. Yep, 6 is upside down. That is one of those tricky numbers too, the 6 and the 9. That's okay. It'll just be upside down. No problem. and 5, etc. Now, if you want to put a secret code on the back of your 10s, I'm going to show you how first graders show a 10 group towards the end of first grade. Okay, just don't tell anybody that I'm showing you this yet. Okay, for a 10 group, instead of doing dots, you're going to do a line. And we can count it just 10. So there's 10. For 20, you would do 1, 2 lines. 10, 20, 20. And you can do that. You don't have to, but you can. So get those secret code cards ready because we are going to be using them in our math routines. I love you. I miss you. And thanks for doing some math with me today. Bye.